How to delete a contact on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now click on the chat whose account you want to delete. After you're in their chat, click on their name at the top. After you've clicked on their name, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, press on Edit in here. Now click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen again, and it will open one option which is Delete Contact. Click on Delete Contact and then press on Delete in here. After you press on Delete in here, you're good to go. This is how to delete a contact on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.